Right. Lastly, we discussed question number three. Question number three of depreciation. Then question number 1, 2, 3 we have discussed in page number 15. I gave you some idea regarding depreciation. I gave you some idea regarding depreciation with these three questions. Okay, right. Then again we will discuss theoretical matters. Okay, the theoretical matters given in the textbook. Okay, given in the textbook we will discuss. But before going to the textbook, we'll complete question number 14, 15, 16 and few questions. Okay, we'll discuss. Right. Depreciation means what? Depreciation means the reduction in value of fixed assets. The reduction in value of fixed assets we need to recognize as depreciation expense. Okay, reduction in reduction in value of non-current assets we need to recognize as depreciation. We need to recognize as depreciation. Okay, when we're using long-term assets, fixed assets for business activities, their value getting decreased together day by day. Then the decrease in value should be recognized as depreciation. The decrease in value should be recognized as depreciation. And lastly, we discussed the method of calculating annual depreciation of a business. Lastly, we discussed the method of calculating annual depreciation of a business organization. Okay, how to calculate annual depreciation of the business organization? Cost minus scrap value. Cost minus scrap value divided by useful lifetime. Then we can calculate annual depreciation. Annual depreciation. Annual depreciation that should be recognized as expense. That should be recognized as expense to the profit and loss statement. To the profit and loss statement. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can watch the last day recording again. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can watch the last day recording again. Okay, right. Right. Then and last day with question number 3, we discussed the method of preparing accumulated depreciation account as well. Okay, without recording depreciation expense in the relevant fixed asset account, we can credit that depreciation into accumulated depreciation account. Then in the accumulated depreciation account, we need to collect depreciation. We need to collect total depreciation. Okay, through the accumulated depreciation account, we need to collect depreciation of the business. We need to collect. Then if you want to calculate the carrying value of the asset, net book value of the asset, if you want to calculate the carrying value of the asset, how to calculate carrying value, net book value, how to calculate carrying value? From the cost, you can deduct accumulated depreciation. You can deduct accumulated depreciation. Then you can calculate carrying value of the asset, net book value of the asset. Then you can calculate carrying value of the assets or net book value of the assets. Okay, right, right. Then lastly, we discussed the method of calculating annual depreciation as well as the method of calculating depreciation rate. Right. Right. And then students, from the cost, you can deduct scrap value. From the cost, you can deduct scrap value. Then cost minus scrap value. It is called depreciable value. I think we discussed depreciable amount. Depreciable amount. Depreciable amount. Cost minus scrap value. It is called depreciable amount. The amount that can be depreciated. Depreciable amount. Depreciable amount. Depreciable amount. Okay. Amount that can be charged to profit and loss over the useful lifetime. For example, let's say the cost of the motor vehicle 20,000. Scrap value 5,000. Then depreciable value is 15,000. This 15,000 should be charged to profit and loss over useful lifetime. Over the useful lifetime, you need to charge this 50,000 to profit and loss. That is called depreciable amount. Depreciable amount. Okay, right? Depreciable amount. Right. Right. I think you may have done question number 14, maybe. Okay, anyway, we will right now we will discuss question number 14. I think you may have prepared structured structures of question number 14. Right. Quickly we will discuss structures of question number 14. Right. Question number 14. Right. Question number 14. Right. Right. For the question number 14, to discuss question number 14, I can use whiteboard or Excel sheet. What do you want? I can use whiteboard. Okay, now I can use whiteboard or Excel sheet. What do you think? Austin, I can use Excel sheet or whiteboard. What do you want? Aksha. Whiteboard okay, ne? Right. Some students saying Excel sheet. Ramesha.
Whiteboard.
Right. 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 Okay. Okay. We'll use whiteboard. Huh? We'll use whiteboard. Right. Right. For the question number 14, if you haven't prepared, quickly prepare the structure of profit and loss statement for the question number 14. For the question number 14, quickly prepare the profit and loss statement. Question number 14. Question number 14. Quickly prepare the profit and loss statement for the question number 14. Right. Profit and loss statement for the question number 14. Right. Question 14. Here, in this question, there is no name of a business, but when you're writing the at first you need to write the name of the business. When you prepare a profit and loss statement, at first you need to write the name of the business organization. Then here we will record XY business. Let's say we will record XY business, huh? XY business. XY business. And then here the statement of financial position, sorry, profit and loss statement for the year ended 31st December 2023. Right, we'll prepare profit and loss statement, profit and loss statement for the year ended. For the year ended. For the year, we prepare profit and loss statement for a specific period, for a specific year. For the year ended 31st December 2023. 31st December 2023. Right. You know the method of preparing structure. Already we have discussed. Okay. Already we have discussed. Right. Then, if you haven't prepared, quickly prepare. Sales minus cost of sales. Sales minus cost of sales. And then opening stock. Purchases minus closing stock. Minus closing stock. Opening stock plus purchases minus closing stock. And then gross profit of the business, gross profit. Right. And then here other income. Other income. Right. And then here write down distribution expense. Distribution expense. Administration expense. And finance expense. Right. Hasidu, can you see the board? Hasidu. Hasidu, can you see the board? Hasidu? Yes, no, right. Right. There we are discussing question number 14. Question number 14. Right. I think you may have prepared structures of questions, huh? Last year I told you to do something for the question number 14. Last year I informed you to do something for the question number 14. Right then, quickly prepare the statement of financial position. Quickly prepare the statement of financial position. Prepare the statement of financial position. Right. Here also you will write down name of the business. XY business. Write down XY business. And then statement of financial position as at 31st December 2023. Okay. Statement of financial position as at 31st March 2014. So sorry, 31st December 2023. And then we have discussed structure, cost, and then here accumulated depreciation. Accumulated depreciation, and the last column carrying value. Carrying value or carrying value. Cost, accumulated depreciation, carrying value. These three headings applicable only for the fixed assets, only for the long-term assets, only for the non-current assets, only for the depreciable assets. Okay, right. And then here non-current assets, and then current assets. Then here equity and liability. Here liability, non-current liability and current liability. Right. Yeah. Okay, there. Right. Students, before come to the class, okay, before come to the class, try to do last day question again. Before come to the class, without looking at the answer, try to do the last day question again. Okay, it will take around 50 minutes, 20 minutes. Within 50 minutes, 20 minutes, try to do last day question again. Okay, right. You can apply that concept not only to commerce, for uh, uh, other subjects also can apply the same theory. Okay, even for math, science, do this last day question, no, last day homework again. Last day question again. Right. Shall we start the question? Right. Austin, shall we start? Austin.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, right. Lenora, shall we start? Lenora.
Okay, sir.
Right. 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 Aksha, shall we start? Mitara, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Shall we start the question?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Shall we start the question? Huh? Right. Look at the question number 14. Right. Trial balance as at 31st December 2023. These are the trial balance details of the business organization. Trial balance details. Question number 14. Page number 8. Question number 14, page number 8. Trial balance details of the business organization. Right, these are the trial balance details. And then after the trial balance, you can see additional information of the business. Additional information. Closing stock valued as at 31st December 2023 as 20,000. Closing stock adjustment. Already we have discussed. You can do. Second one, salary expense payable. Accrued salary expense is 6,000. Accrued salary expense 6,000. Already we have discussed. And the depreciation of motor vehicle 10% and per annum and building 5% per annum. Also, last year we discussed the method of calculating depreciation. Today we will discuss the method of recording depreciation of a business. Today we will discuss the method of recording depreciation of a business. Okay, right, right. Students, at first we need to complete additional information of the question. Before going to the trial balance of the question, at first we need to discuss, at first we need to complete all the additional information. Without completing additional information, we can't complete trial balance details. Okay, under the additional information, there are some required adjustments to the trial balance of the business organization. Therefore, before going to, before completing, okay, before recording details of the trial balance, at first we need to complete all the additional information of the business organization. Right, now we will look at the additional information. First one, you can do first one. Closing stock adjustment of the business organization. What to do for the closing stock? Closing stock, cost of sales minus 20,000. From the cost of sales, you need to deduct closing stock. From the cost of sales, you need to deduct closing stock, and then this closing stock transfer to current assets. Write down closing stock. Closing stock transfer to current assets in the statement of financial position. Already we have discussed. Closing stock adjustment. Okay. Closing stock adjustment of the business. Closing stock minus 20,000, and then current assets 20,000. Current assets 20,000. Closing stock. Okay, right. You can do that one, huh? Right, yeah, you can do. We have discussed. Second one, salary expense payable. Also, you know. Right? Now, salary expense payable 6,000. How much salary expense paid up to now? Total salary expense paid up to now 48,000. In the trial balance, you can see salary expense paid up to now. Salary expense. Salary expense paid up to now. How much? Paid amount 48,000 in cash. Okay, the salary expense paid up to now 48,000. 48,000. And then under the additional information, you can see salary expense payable, accrued salary. Accrued salary expense is 6,000. Another 6,000 is relevant for the current financial year. Another 6,000 is relevant for the current financial year. Then we discussed accrual concept. Based on the accrual concept, relevant salary expense for the period should be charged to profit and loss. Relevant expense for the period. Then 48,000 paid and another 6,000 relevant for the current financial year. But it is not paid up to now. Right then here, salary expense account debit 6,000. Salary expense account debit 6,000. Accrued salary account. Accrued salary account. Accrued salary account credit 6,000. Okay, salary expense account debit. Accrued salary expense account debit credit. Accrued salary account credit. Okay, for all the additional information, we need to pass double entries. For all the additional information, we need to pass double entries. This is a double entry. Salary expense account debit, accrued salary account credit. Okay, right then. Right now, how much the total salary expense of the business? Total salary expense of the business, how much? 54,000. 54,000 total salary expense. Then now total salary expense you can record in the profit and loss statement. Right, come to the profit and loss statement. In the profit and loss statement, under admin expense, write down salary. Salary 54,000. Salary 54,000 under the administration expense. Salary 54,000. And then this 6,000 payable you have done. I think you have done this one. Huh? This 6,000 payable. Then this 6,000 transfer where? Transfer to current liabilities. Transfer this 6,000 to current liability. In the current liability, you need to allocate first line for the creditors. First row for the creditors. And then in the second row, you can write down accrued salary. Accrued salary. Accrued salary 6,000. Current liability. Accrued salary 6,000 current liability. We have discussed these adjustments already. We have discussed with question number 11, 12, 13. Already we have discussed the method of recording accrued salary in the business organization. Okay, it means salary expense 48,000 plus 6,000. Then total amount 54,000. Total amount recorded under admin expense and then unpaid 6,000 transferred to current liability 6,000 current liability. Okay, 6,000 current liability. Right. Look at the third one. Look at the third adjustment. Look at the third adjustment. Third adjustment in the business. Third adjustment. Right here, a depreciation of motor vehicle 10% per annum. A motor vehicle. Right. Go to the trial balance. In the trial balance, building 372,000, motor vehicle 240,000, land 390,000. Land 390,000. Then we will record at first these fixed assets, these non-current assets in the statement of financial portion. At first, we will write down land. Land how much? Land value 390,000. Land 390,000 land. And then we write down building. Building how much? Building 372,000. Building. And then motor vehicle. Motor vehicle 240,000. Okay then. Fine. Land, building, motor vehicle. Okay, these are the cost of fixed asset. Purchase value. Cost of fixed asset. Land purchase value 390,000. Building purchase value 372,000. Motor vehicle purchase value 240,000. 240,000. Okay, 240,000. Right. Then depreciation of motor vehicle 10%. Motor vehicle 240,000. Motor vehicle 240,000. Then 240,000 into 240,000 into 10%. In 10%. How much the motor vehicle depreciation? Motor vehicle depreciation how much? 240,000 into 10%. Huh? 24,000. Motor vehicle depreciation 24,000. 24,000. Right. Then what is the double entry of this 24,000? What's the double entry? Depreciation expense account debit. Motor vehicle depreciation account debit. Oh, motor vehicle depreciation expense account debit. Motor vehicle accumulated depreciation account credit. Okay. We can't directly credit this 24,000 into motor vehicle account. In question number 2 of depreciation, we discussed that. We directly credited depreciation into motor vehicle account, into fixed asset account. But in the third question, we discussed without recording depreciation in the relevant fixed asset account, we can credit that amount into accumulated depreciation account. Then here also we need to apply same concept. We can't credit this 24,000 into motor vehicle account. Then without recording this 24,000 into motor vehicle account, we need to credit this 24,000 into where? Into the accumulated depreciation account. Then how to pass double entry for this 24,000? Motor vehicle depreciation expense account debit, accumulated depreciation account motor vehicle credit. Okay, then here 24,000 motor vehicle depreciation account debit. Then that depreciation 24,000 debit entry, you need to record under motor vehicle depreciation under distribution expense. Under the distribution expense, write down motor vehicle depreciation 24,000. That is the expense. The amount charged to profit and loss. Right. Motor vehicle depreciation. Write down motor vehicle depreciation. Motor vehicle depreciation 24,000. We use motor vehicle for distribution activities. For the distribution activities of the business organization, we use motor vehicle. Therefore, motor vehicle depreciation should be recorded under distribution expense. Distribution expense. Then here, distribution expense account debit or profit and loss account debit. Okay, we recorded the expense in the profit and loss statement. Depreciation expense account debit. In the profit and loss, we recorded that 24,000. Now this 24,000 should be transferred to accumulated depreciation account. Accumulated depreciation account. Then in this question, there is no opening accumulated depreciation. Opening accumulated depreciation 0. Accumulated depreciation, opening balance 0. There is no opening balance. Right, then this year depreciation 24,000. 24,000. Then accumulated depreciation account credit 24,000. Opening balance 0. There is no opening balance. If you have any opening balance in the credit side, then that opening balance, to that opening balance, you need to add this 24,000. If you have any opening accumulated depreciation value in the trial balance, then to that amount you need to add this 24,000. But in this question, there is no opening balance. Right now, this 24,000 should be transferred to statement of financial position. Statement of financial position under the accumulated depreciation line 24,000. 24,000. Okay, 24,000 accumulated depreciation. Right. Then now cost minus accumulated depreciation. How about the net book value? Carrying value how much? 240,000 minus 24,000. You need to subtract this 24,000 from 240,000. How about the carrying value? 240,000 minus 24,000. How much? 200 and yes, Akshay, correct. 216,000. Carrying value 216,000. Carrying value 216,000. Okay, cost minus accumulated depreciation. Cost minus accumulated depreciation. Carrying value 216,000. Right, then motor vehicle depreciation is okay. Right. 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 Now we will move into building depreciation. Building, how are the building? Building of the business organization 372,000. Building 772,000. Building depreciation. How to calculate building depreciation? 372,000 into 5%. Into 5%. How much? Depreciation of building, how much? Depreciation of building, how much? Depreciation of building, how much? Yes, Akshaya, correct. 18,600. Depreciation of building 18,600. 18,600. Depreciation of building 18,600. Okay, right. Then building depreciation should be recorded under administration expense. We use building for administrative activities. Therefore, depreciation of building should be recorded under administration expense. Admin expense. Under admin expense, write down depreciation of building or building depreciation. Depreciation of building or building depreciation. 18,600. 18,600. Depreciation of building 18,600. 80,600. Right. And after that, this 80,600, then here building depreciation expense account debit, accumulated depreciation account credit. Then this 80,600 you need to record in the statement of financial position. Well, here there is no any opening balance. If you have any opening balance, to that opening balance you need to add this 18,600. But here there is no opening balance. Therefore, transfer 18,600 to statement of financial position. 18,600 statement of financial position. 80,600. Right. We can't depreciate building. We can't depreciate building. Right. Carrying value of building how much? Carrying value of building how much? Carrying value of building how much? Yes. Carrying value of building how much? Yes, correct, Akshaya. 353,400. Anjali, 353,400 carrying value. 353,400. 353,400. Right. Land, same amount, 390,000. Right. Is it clear? Right. We discussed depreciation. Mitara, is it clear, Mitara?
Yes, sir.
Clear, ne? Right. Austin, is it clear, Austin? Austin, is it clear, Austin? Right. Afra, is it clear, Afra? Right. Hasinu, clear. Okay, Hasinu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, right. Imira, clear, Imira. Clear and right. Right. Lagdil, okay, the Lagdil.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right. Lenora?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Then, right. Right. Now we have completed additional information 1, 2, 3. Additional information 1, 2, 3. Okay. Right. Now we will move into trial balance of the business organization. Go to the trial balance. Go to the trial balance of the business organization. Trial balance. Right. In the trial balance, you can see sales of the business organization 750,000. You can record. Record the sales. Please record the sales. 750,000 sales. Sales 750,000. Sales. 750,000 sales. Purchases 276,000 purchases. Purchases 276,000. Purchases 276,000 purchases. And then opening stock 72,000. Opening stock 72,000. Opening stock. Opening stock 72,000. Opening stock. Carriage inward purchases plus carriage inward. Carriage inward purchases plus 18,000. 18,000. Loading, unloading expenses. Loading, unloading. Loading, unloading expenses 6,000. Also purchases plus. Loading, unloading expenses, purchases plus. Purchases plus. Right, next one. Next one. Rent expense of the business organization 24,000. Rent expense. Write down under administration expense. Under admin expense, write down rent expense 24,000. Under administration expense, write down rent expense 24,000. 24,000. Right. Advertising expense 30,000. Advertising expense record under distribution expense. Under distribution expense. Advertising. Advertising under distribution expense 30,000. Advertising expense under distribution expense 30,000. Advertising. Right. Buildings, motor vehicle, land. Already we have discussed. Okay, the building, motor vehicle, land. We recorded in the statement of financial position. Salary expense. Salary expenses also already we have recorded salary. Total salary expense 54,000. Approved salary 6,000. Salary done. Okay, right. Next one. Fixed deposit interest 18,000. And next one you can see fixed deposit 10%, 240,000. In this business, there is a fixed deposit of 240,000. 240,000 fixed deposit. Then record that fixed deposit under non-current assets. Under non-current assets, write down fixed deposit of the business. Fixed deposit. Here write down fixed deposit. Fixed deposit of the business, how much? Fixed deposit 240,000. 240,000 fixed deposit. Fixed deposit record above the current assets. Right. Under non-current assets, write down fixed deposit 240,000. Fixed deposit. Okay. Long-term assets. Long-term asset of the business. And then here, fixed deposit 10%. And then here you can see fixed deposit interest 18,000. 80 interest, fixed deposit interest 18,000 means already we have collected. Last year we discussed this question, this type of adjustment. And then here, already fixed deposit interest 18,000 means already we have collected 18,000. Fixed deposit interest already 18,000 we have collected. We have collected in cash 18,000. But relevant fixed deposit interest for the period how much? 240,000 into 10%. 240,000 into 10%. Relevant fixed deposit interest expense for the interest income for the period. Relevant fixed deposit interest for the period 240,000 into 10%. How much? 24,000. Relevant fixed deposit interest for the period 24,000. But out of 24,000, we have collected only 18,000. Another 6,000 receivable we need to collect. Receivable. And that 6,000 is an income of the business during our financial year. In our financial year, that 6,000 is an income. Then how to pass double it for that 6,000? Fixed deposit interest account credit 6,000. Fixed deposit interest income account credit 6,000. Fixed deposit interest receivable account. Receivable account debit 6,000. Debit 6,000. Fixed deposit interest income account credit 6,000. Fixed deposit interest receivable account debit 6,000. We need to collect this 6,000 in future. We need to collect this 6,000 in future. Okay, right. Maybe how much the relevant fixed deposit interest for the period? 24,000. 24,000. Based on the accrual concept, we need to record relevant income for the period in the profit and loss statement. Then relevant fixed deposit interest for the period 24,000. Relevant amount. Then the relevant amount should be recorded under other income. Under other income. Go to the other income. Other income. Under other income, write down fixed deposit interest. Fixed deposit interest 24,000. Record under other income. Record this 24,000 under other income. Other income 24,000 fixed deposit interest. And this 6,000 receivable, we need to collect this 6,000. We need to collect this 6,000 receivable. Then this 6,000 receivable fixed deposit interest will be recorded under current asset. That receivable fixed deposit interest should be recorded under current asset. Right. Then in the current assets, first line for the closing stock. Second line we need to allocate for the debtors. Debtors. Debtors of the business. Debtors. Debtors. Later I will explain. Later I will explain the reason to write down these current assets according to an order. I will explain. I can't remember whether we discussed last day or not. Anyway, I will discuss. Okay, we will discuss it again later. Okay, I will tell you the reason to record closing stock debtors. Okay, these current assets according to an order. We will discuss. By then, this fixed deposit interest receivable should be recorded under current asset. Current assets. Write down. Let's say interest receivable. Interest receivable. Interest receivable. Write down 6,000. Interest receivable 6,000. Current assets. Interest receivable 6,000 current assets. Interest receivable 6,000 current assets. Right, done. Right. Fixed deposit interest done. Okay, done. So 11 fixed deposit interest for the period 24,000. Another 6,000 of interest need to collect by the business. Need to collect by 6,000. Okay, right. Fixed deposit, okay, fixed deposit 240,000 we have recorded in the statement of financial position. Now look at the next one. Interest expense 24,000. Interest expense 24,000 is what? Bank loan interest. Interest expense 24,000. Interest expense 24,000. Already paid amount. Interest expense already paid amount how much? 24,000. Already paid amount 24,000. Cash book credit, interest expense account debit 24,000. Already paid amount 24,000. But look at the bank loan. Bank loan of the business organization 270,000. 10% bank loan. 10% bank loan. Then how much the bank loan interest? Bank loan interest how much? 270,000 into 10%. How much the bank loan interest? 27,000. Bank loan interest 27,000. Then relevant bank loan interest for the period 27,000. Right. According to accrual concept, relevant bank loan interest should be recorded under finance expense. Then under the finance expense, write down this 27,000. Under the finance expense, write down this 27,000. Bank loan interest. Bank loan interest 27,000. Under the finance expense, write down. Already we discussed, huh? These things already we discussed. Right then, under the finance expense, write down. Under the finance expense, write down. Bank loan interest 27,000. Relevant amount for the period based on the accrual concept. Based on the accrual concept, relevant amount for the period 27,000. 27,000. 27,000. And then here, already paid amount 24,000. Paid amount included in the trial balance of the business. Already paid amount 24,000. Then relevant amount for the period 27,000. Paid amount during the period 24,000. Then here another 3,000 payable. Another 3,000 payable. Another 3,000 payable. We need to pay this 3,000. Accrued bank loan interest. Accrued bank loan interest. How much? 3,000. Accrued bank loan interest. Accrued bank loan interest. How much? 3,000. Then record that accrued bank loan interest under current liability. Under current liability, write down accrued bank loan interest. Let's say accrued loan interest. Accrued loan interest. How much? 3,000. Accrued loan interest 3,000. Accrued loan interest or accrued bank loan interest 3,000. Accrued bank loan interest 3,000. Right. Right. Ramesha, is it clear, Ramesha?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Tell me, is it clear? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Clear, eh? Right. Then Akshaya, clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear, right. 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 Bank loan interest done. Then interest expense 24,000 done. Finished. Electricity expense 12,000. Record under admin expense. Go to the administration expense. Electricity. Electricity and the admin expense 24,000. Sorry, 12,000. Electricity 12,000. Under administration expense. Under admin expense, write down electricity 12,000. And then debtors should be recorded in the statement of financial position. I said debtors 72,000. Debtors 72,000. Debtors 72,000. Debtors. Next one. Creditors 37,000. Creditors under current liability. Under current liability, write down creditors 36,000. 36,000. Another name for creditors Another name is trade payable. Another name for debtor is trade receivable. Trade receivable. Right. Right. Done. Finished. Trade debtors. Debtors, creditors. Okay. Bank loan 270,000. Bank loan interest already recorded. Then non-current liability bank loan. Bank loan 270,000. Bank loan 270,000. Bank loan. Capital 750,000 capital. Capital 750,000 capital. Right, done, finished. Right. We recorded all the balances available in the trial balance. In profit and loss statement and statement of financial position. Right, now you can balance. Now you can balance a question. We'll balance a question. Right. 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 Then here, stock to be sold. Cost of goods to be sold. How much? Cost of goods to be sold. 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 Here 72,000. 372,000 minus 20,000. 352,000. Is it correct? Cost of sale of the business organization 352,000. Is it correct? Cost of good to be sold to 353,000. 352,000. Right, now you can calculate the gross profit of the business. Gross profit. How much the gross profit of the business? Gross profit how much? $398,000. Is it correct? Gross profit of the business organization 398,000. Rion, is it correct? Rion? Ramisha, okay, Ramisha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Austin, okay, the Austin.
Okay.
Okay, right. And then plus other income 24,000 plus 24,000 plus 422,000 422,000 gross profit plus other income. Gross profit plus other income 420,000. And then distribution expense. Take the total amount of the distribution expense. Distribution expense total amount 54,000. Administration expense total amount. Take the administration expense total amount. Admin expense total amount. $108,600. Finance expense 27,000. I take the total expense to next line. Total expense of the business organization. Total expense of the business organization. Total expense. $189,600. Total expense of the business organization. 189,600. Is it correct? Total expense of the business organization 189,600. Is it correct? Yes, sir. Fine. Okay, Akshaya. Fine. Then, how much the profit of the business? Profit of the business, how much profit? $232,400. Net profit 232,400. Net profit. Is it correct? 232,400 net profit of the business organization. Yes, sir, Akshaya. Right. Right. Net profit 232,400. Right. And then transfer this amount to the statement of financial position. Net profit 232,400. Right. Now you can balance off the statement of financial position. Statement of financial position. Balance of this OFP. Right. Cost of the fixed assets. $1,002,000. Accumulated depreciation. $42,600. Carrying value. Total carrying value. $959,400. 959,400. 959,400. Carrying value to carrying value of the non-current assets. Carrying value of non-current assets. And then fixed deposit, right? And then here take the total current assets. Total current assets of the business. $98,000. 98,000. Right. You can balance. Balance the question. Now you can do. Right. Balance the question. How much the balancing figure? Right. 1,297,400. Yes, right. Balance sheet figure, you can balance. Balance sheet figure, okay, Akshaya. 1,297,400 balance sheet figure. Balance sheet figure. Done there. Right, tell me, okay, tell me. Right. Right. Question number 14, okay. Right. Start question number 15. Start question number 15. Start question number 15. I will give you 20 minutes. I will give you 20 minutes to do question number 15. 20 minutes. Try to do something for the question number 15 and everyone need to send me answers. Okay then. Everyone need to send me answers for the question number 15. Complete question number 15. Complete question 15. Now time is 9:20. I will give you 20 minutes. Within 20 minutes, try to do this question. Within 20 minutes or 25 minutes. Okay, try to do something for the question number 15. Right. Prepaid rent should be recognized as current assets. Prepaid rent. You have paid excess amount for rent. You have paid excess amount of rent. Then this 2,000 you need to deduct from rent expense. Here you can see already paid rent amount. Already paid rent expense is 12,000. From this 12,000 you need to deduct this 2,000. Prepaid amount. And that deducted 2,000 should be recorded in the current assets as prepaid rent. Okay, this 2,000 current assets prepaid rent. Right. Take 20 minutes. Try to do something for the question number 15. I need answers from everyone. I need to check your knowledge. Therefore, please send everyone your answers. Take 20 minutes. Try to do within 20 minutes. Right. I got answer for the question number 15 from Akshaya. And it is balanced. And everyone need to complete question number 15 and send me answers. Okay. And for the student, send me answers. I will send you a recording. Okay, I will send you a recording for the question 15 for the students. Send me answers. Then before getting the answer for the question 15, you need to send me answers. Everyone need to send me answers. Okay, I need to check your answers. Therefore, please send me answers. If you send me answer for the question number 15, okay, I will give you the answer for the question number 15. Okay, I will give you a separate recording. Okay, okay, I will give a separate video regarding question number 15 if you send me answers. Okay, only for the students send me answers can get that recording. Okay, right. So we will stop for the day. Everyone try to send me answers today or tomorrow Okay, I will send you a separate video for question 50. Okay, right. We'll stop for the day. Okay, try to send me answers. Huh? Everyone needs to send me answers. Okay, without sending answers, you can't get the recording. Huh? You can't get the recording for the question 50. Right. We'll stop for the day. Yeah, we'll stop for the day. Complete the answer and send me answer. Okay, right. We'll stop for the day. Yeah. Good night. Okay, good night. Okay, good night. Okay, right.
Thank you, sir. God bless.
Okay, right.
Thank
okay.
you,
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Okay, good night. Okay, right.